Quiz on Maratha Empire. Who was the founder of Maratha dynasty? Shahu, Shivaji, Rajaram, Balaji Vishwanath. The right answer is Shivaji. Which one of the following wives of Shivaji became Sati? Soirabai, Sakavarbai, Puttabai, none of these. The right answer is Puttabai. What was Pug in the Maratha administration? Independent soldiers, state dependent soldiers, professional soldiers, country soldiers. The right answer is state dependent soldiers. Who among the following was the first Peshwa of Shahu? Balaji Vishwanath, Bajirao, Balaji Bajirao, Madhav Rao. The right answer is Balaji Vishwanath. In the cavalry of Shivaji, a Jumla commanded 9 havaldars, 10 havaldars, 15 havaldars, 5 havaldars. The right answer is 5 havaldars. What was Bargir in Maratha army? Infantry, frontliner, cavalry, water carrier. The right answer is cavalry. Who among the following was the lowest in rank of Maratha infantry? Nayak, Havaldar, Jumaldar, Hazri. The right answer is Nayak. In the third battle of Panipat, Marathas were defeated by Mughals, Rohillas, Britishers, Afghans. The right answer is Afghans. Who among the following Maratha officers looked after the revenue department? Peshwas, Amalya, Sachiv, Samant. The right answer is Amalya. The Maratha artillery was mainly organized by Mir Habib, Kanoji, Ibrahim Khan Gardi, Khanderao Dabde. The right answer is Ibrahim Khan Gardi, who led the Marathas in the third battle of Panipat. Bajirao II, Jaswantrao Holkar, Maharji Sindhia, Sadashiv Rao Bhau. The right answer is Sadashiv Rao Bhau. The Treaty of Purandar between Shivaji and Jai Singh took place in 1665, 1664, 1666, 1669. The right answer is 1665. Who among the following Maratha Peshwas followed the ideal of Hindu Pad Padshahi? Balaji Vishwanath, Bajirao I, Madhav Rao, Narayan Rao. The right answer is Bajirao I. Who among the following Maratha women led the struggle against Mughal Empire? Ahalyabai, Muktabai, Tarabai, Rukmanibai. The right answer is Tarabai. In Shivaji's Council of Ministers, the Prime Minister was called Peshwa, Mantri, Sachiv, Samant. The right answer is Peshwa. Shivaji died in the year 1676, 1677, 1678, 1680. The right answer is 1680. Who was called Chanakya of Maratha politics? Maharji Scindia, Nana Fadnavis, Bajirao II, Balaji Vishwanath. The right answer is Nana Fadnavis. The Maratha kingdom was founded by Shivaji during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Akbar, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. The right answer is Aurangzeb. Who among the following was killed by Shivaji? Shesht Khan, Afzal Khan, Jai Singh, Nazib Khan. The right answer is Afzal Khan. After the death of Shivaji, there was fight for succession between Sambhaji and Bajirao, Tarabai and Shahu, Rajaram and Sambhaji, none of these. The right answer is Rajaram and Sambhaji. Where was Shivaji formally crowned as Chhatrapati? Pune, Kolhapur, Raigad, Ahmednagar. The right answer is Raigad. Which one of the following wars was ended by the Treaty of Salbai? First Maratha War, Second Maratha War, Third Maratha War, Fourth Maratha War. The right answer is First Maratha War. What was the stake in the agriculture production in the land revenue system of Shivaji? 16%, 25%, 35%, 40%. The right answer is 40%. Who captured Lahore and brought Punjab under Maratha supremacy for a short period? Vishwas Rao, Balaji Vishwanath, Raghunath Rao, Sadashiv Rao Bhau. The right answer is Raghunath Rao. Who among the following helped Sayyid's brothers in dethroning the Emperor Farooq Siyar? Balaji Vishwanath, Bajirao I, Raghunath Rao, Rajaram. The right answer is Balaji Vishwanath. If you like this video, then hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.